Hey guys, welcome to Gadget Boys, myself Akash, and without wasting any time, let's start with the intro. In this quarantine period, many of us are busy with our smartphones, doing various kind of works and playing games. And in this period, many of our phone got bricked by any kind of reason. So you guys are waiting to buy a new smartphone at a good discount. So here is a list of few phones which you can buy in the Amazon Prime Day sale starting from 6th August and will remain till 7th August. So let's start with the budget and the mid-range phones. In my list, the first phone is the Redmi Note 9. Though this phone was launched previously, but there is a new stunning color which is the Scarlet Red. This phone is priced around 11,999. So I think it is a good offer to buy it in the Amazon Prime Day sale. The second phone in my list is the Honor 9A, which is priced around 11,999. And if you guys have no issue with the Google services, then you can go with this phone, and this phone have a decent camera setup. The third phone in my list is the Samsung Galaxy M31s. This phone is one of the best and at 20k, and if you guys are a gamer, then please avoid it, or else you can go with this phone. This phone have an excellent Super AMOLED display with a huge 6000 mAh battery and also supports 25W supercharge. It also has a 64 megapixel quad camera setup. The next phone is the most awaiting and the hyped phone. It is the OnePlus Note. This phone will be on sale on 6th August. Another new launch that will go directly onto the sale is the Redmi Prime. So after the budget and the mid-range segment, let's move to the premium segment. The first premium phone that will go on sale will be the iPhone 11, which is cost around 68k, but in the offer it will get a discount and it will be priced around 60k. So I think it is a great deal for the gamers as well as for the daily users. The next premium phone is the Amazon exclusive phone, which is the OnePlus 70. The price of 8GB 256GB is 37,999, but during the Prime Day sale it will be priced around 35,999. That is, you are getting a 2,000 rupees instant discount on it. And if you want to exchange the phone, you will get another 2,000 rupees discount, bringing the price down to 33,999. Next in my list is the another premium phone is the Samsung Galaxy S10. Its price is around 49,999, but on the Prime Day sale it will get a discount of rupees 5,000 and you will get it on 44,999. These phones are the most hyped and a good value for money phone to buy in the Amazon Prime Day sale. One thing to keep in mind is that the most of the phone will get 10% instant discount if you have a HDFC debit and credit card, and you will also have a no cost EMI up to 9 months. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We'll meet you in the next video.